today is Ampalaya Atchara, and these are my ingredients. This is about 4 or 5 pieces of Ampalaya or bitter gourd, bell pepper, carrots, turmeric, ginger, banana pepper, garlic, raisins, 4 cups of cider vinegar, 4 cups of sugar, salt. I'm going to boil the vinegar.
Ano ko, bakit meron kang ganyan?
Mix the sugar. This is just to start with. And salt. Cover. I'm gonna let it boil. Once it boils, I'm gonna let it simmer for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna let it simmer for 5 minutes. Then I'm gonna let it cool down. This is now cool to touch. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour this all here. I hope I have enough syrup. Okay, I think I have enough. These are the mason jars I prepared. And I have a small one, but wide mouth. So I'm gonna put the Ampalaya here first, and then I'm gonna decorate on the sides the celery, the bell pepper, and the rest. So this now may burong ampalaya or ampalaya atchara.